Now I'll show you how I actually open the device to replace its PCB. So to replace the PCB, I disconnect the glass. I'm unscrewing the 4 screws. We're disconnecting the cable from the battery, holding the motherboard, and removing screw number 4. Basically, the PCB has been replaced. We're taking the new PCB. Here we have the 2 buttons. To reassemble, we have the SIM card module, which comes separately. Insert the module like this. Reinsert the SIM card, hold it with one hand, and tighten the screw. Once we have one screw in place, we can continue. Disconnect the battery, connect the PCB cable. The cable is connected and the unit is attached to the wall. At this stage, we want to connect the battery first and then the screen. First, we will carefully connect the battery and then gently remove it. Now we are connecting the new screen. We have successfully received the necessary cable and we have also received the brand new screen. The PCB has been replaced. Time for a check.